Everyone, please check your aptitude textbook and let me know with yes or no whether we have done page number 19 or not. Done. Okay, Bhavika is saying done. All of you, please reply quickly. Page number 19, chapter 8, analogy, done or not? Half class is done, half class is saying that not done. How would I believe you?
Ma'am, it's not done because
No. So Bhavika Sinha and those who are saying that it's done, how you people have done? Both of you, please stay quiet. I'm already facing network issues. Alright, those who have not done, let's start with chapter number 8 only. और जिसका done है, they will stay quiet. Page number 19, take out everyone. Analogy of objects. Same chapter we have done as chapter 1 also, our chapter 1 also of analogy, right? But there we just playing with words. And here we have pictures and figures. Okay? So first analogy of objects, we are having pictures. Let's start making the pictures. Let's start making pairs. The first pair is socks is to foot. So hand gloves is to
hand.
If socks is for foot, gloves is for hand. That is option A. Right? Option A is the correct answer for first analogy.
Yes, ma'am.
Put tick mark on option A.
Okay, ma'am.
Now mute yourself, Fiona. Number 2, if cat related to tiger family, so duck relates to hen family. Option C, right? If cat is related to tiger family, duck is related to hen family. That is option C. All of you please to put tick mark on option 3 for second analogy. Third one, if wood we cut with saw, apple we cut with knife, right? What we use to cut apple? What?
The knife.
Bacha, let me hear somebody else. Option D, knife. Yes. Put tick mark on option D. Let's see fourth one. Bangle is for wrist, so earring is for?
Ear, ma'am. A1.
If bangle is for wrist, earring is for ear. Option A, ear is the correct answer for fourth one. Yes, very good. Put tick mark on option A, ear. Number 5. Jug is for glass. It is for?
Cup, ma'am. B1.
Yes, very good. Cup. Yes. Option B, not B1. For number 5, option B, put tick mark everyone. Number 6, if handle is triangle in shape, so ring is?
Circle.
Option A. Breezy, stop putting answers in chat box. I'll remove you from class. Option A, circle is the correct answer for number 6. Number 7, bat is for ball is for bat, so shuttlecock is for
D1.
yes.
Racket.
What?
Racket. D.
D. Option D. Not D1. Option D, tennis racket, is the correct answer for number 7. Number 8, if envelope is rectangle in shape, so carom board is
Option A, ma'am.
envelope is rectangle, so carom board is square in shape. Option A, square. I'm going to repeat all the answers. Check everyone. Page number 19. First analogy, correct answer option A. Second one, C. For number 3, option D. For number 4, option A. For number 5, option B. Number 6, A. Number 7, D. And number 8, option A. Is it done? Page number 19 done?
Ma'am, in third.
Option D.
Okay. And then fifth.
Option A. For number 5, option B. Number 6, option A. Number 7, option D. And number 8, option A. Is it done now, Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Learn analogy, ma'am.
Chapter number 9 is patterns. Here we have given some patterns. First we need to look at the pattern and identify it. Then we'll need to choose the next figure to complete the pattern. And the next figure we'll choose from given answer figures. Okay? We have set of problem figures and answer figures. So from answer figures we'll choose the next figure that is completing the problem figure. Who is there? Okay, look at the first pattern, smiling face and sad face. Achit, I won't make you sit here right now if you are doing like this. Did I ask you to do this face? Then you are not supposed to solve any of the pages until we are doing in the class. Got it, beta? देखो, डेढ़ साढ़े. Chalo. Done this page? Okay, then sit quietly, beta. No need to do this page, okay? We'll do along with the class. Okay? No, you're not supposed to do, beta. Don't do like this, okay? Alright, look at first problem figures, smiley face and sad face. Okay, so the last figure is sad face. So we'll choose the next figure that is having smiley. So where is it? B. Option? B. Yes, option B. Put tick mark on option B, everyone. Okay, now look at second one. I didn't ask you. Number 2, star shape and then circle. Star and circle. Like this the pattern is going. So we'll choose the next figure.
Star.
Yes? Star. Option D. Yes, very good. D.
Option
D, bacha. Done?
D.
Okay. Okay, then lie down here. Lie down, kar do. Okay, now look at number 3. Bhavika, please mute yourself, bacha. Bhavika, Yes, thank you. Okay, up arrow, left side arrow, down arrow, and right side. So which is the next is
Option A.
A.
Up arrow.
Yes, up arrow. Yes, very good. Option A, up arrow. Put tick mark, everyone. Option A. Okay, now number 4 is up and down figures having dot and cross inside. Okay, one figure is having dot and the other one is having cross. Right? So after cross wala figure, we'll choose the next is
Option C.
dot but upward figure. Right? And that is option C. Yes, option C is the correct figure for the pattern. Put tick mark on option C. Okay, now number 5. Look at number 5.
Ma'am, I know.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, answer is C.
Answer is B.
I'll go there.
Up and down figures, but one of the figure is having 3 lines, then 2 lines, then 3, then 2. So we choose the next figure which is having 3 lines and downward. Option B. Now look carefully to number 6 and find out the next figure from answer figures. Look at number 6. 2 dots and upward figure.
One dot down. Option B is that.
Ma'am,
No.
A is the right.
A is the correct answer. Yes, Shreya, right. Option A is the correct answer, not B, beta. All of you tick mark on option A. Look carefully. Downside having 2 dots. Okay. It's A. Okay, now look at 7th pattern. Yes, 7th one.
7th
Yes.
one, ma'am.
7th one.
Ma'am,
Option
B,
yes.
option B, option B, option B, ma'am.
Option B. Option B for number 7. Number 8.
Ma'am, can I
Just like we have
answer
done the arrow figures.
Ma'am, I said
Yes, Nahil.
Option D.
D, option D, option D.
Shreya, stop unmuting yourself.
Option D.
Yes, Nahil. Yes, very good. Option D is the correct answer for number 8. Page number 20, I am going to repeat. Very good. Keep it like that.
Yeah.
You're the only one complaining about my voice. Page number 20. I'm going to repeat all the answers. Check yourself. First one, correct answer is B. Second, correct answer is D. For number 3, answer is option A. For number 4, option C. Number 5, option B. Number 6, option A. Number 7, correct answer, option B. And for number 8, option D. Is it done?
Yeah.
Page number 20 done, everyone?
Done, ma'am.
Okay, now look at the next page, page number 21. Here repeating patterns, we have chosen one next figure for number 20 page number, right? Now for page number 21, we'll give next 2, next 3 and whatever is being asked. First we'll observe the pattern, where is the colored part is going on and what is the pattern. And then we'll give next 2 or next 3 whatever has been asked. You have to draw, and if you have colored pencil box with you, you can use your colors to draw the figures. And if you are not having colors, you can just draw it with your pencil. Okay? Here we have colored figures, so you can use your colored pencils. No one will use crayons, only colored pencils. And that is only if you are having. No need to rush outside to buy it. Okay, use your normal pencil to draw the figures. Look at the first pattern. First pattern figure we need to observe. The colored part is moving clockwise. Right? The colored part is moving clockwise. See, first this side is colored, then this and then this. So it is moving clockwise. So let's move it clockwise again and we'll draw the next figure. Okay, draw it with me. See, I am drawing here. This side is colored, right? So we'll draw this part. We'll fill it with color. Okay, and next figure. I'm thinking when to put the colored part. One triangle is having so next figure will two triangles and will cross and circle. Number 3 and 4. For number 3 and 4, next week to continue the right. Downside, upside, and up and side. Okay, and this is number 3. You are able to see what are you all able to see what I'm doing? Pattern 1, 2 and 3 that we have done. All of you were able to see whatever I have drawn? Am I audible?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Pattern 1, 2 and 3 done, beta? Mahil?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's do number 4 pattern. Triangle, circle, square. Again, We'll draw triangle. Now we have some empty boxes in the pattern.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
That is 1 to 5 is done, everyone?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's move to next one. 6. But here, so the next one will go here. So, that is and then and then again and then repeat the pattern. Rohit will make 2 circles like this.
Ma'am, sorry I am late. Can you please send me page number?
Can you see?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So the next one. Eight. The 2 boxes are colored. So with 2 boxes.
Ma'am, M7. Ma'am,
Alright? opposite two boxes will color like this. Okay. Last figure में जो two boxes color है उसे total opposite. Understood this pattern is? Now look at pattern number 9. Pattern number 9 में again the dot is moving clockwise along with a cross. Right? Dot और cross clockwise move हो रहे हैं. First ये this यहाँ पर कॉर्नर में है, फिर यहाँ कॉर्नर में जाएगा, और क्रॉस होगा उसके and then cross on the opposite corner. Understood everyone? Okay, now look at number 10. In number 10 you can see the dot and the circle is on opposite sides. And the dot is moving again clockwise. Starting from here, then in the next pattern on the opposite
Ma'am, your voice is cracking. Ma'am, your voice is
video.
cracking.
Page number 21. Page number 21. Take care, beta. Take proper medicine and rest. Okay. Page number 19, 20 and 21. 3 pages we have done. Right everyone? Is it done with everyone?
Yes,
Anyone remember? The last page is done, beta? No homework I am giving, beta. There is no homework. Okay? Alright all of you. See you in your next class. Take care and have a nice day.
have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Bye, beta. Bye.